How we doing, everybody? I'm at my parents' house. Got another little project lawn we're starting. I wanted to introduce you to it and kind of show you the state of it and talk about what we're going to do. So they have Bermuda, about 3,500 square feet. They have a decent amount of Bermuda coming up, but a lot of just broadleaf weeds and some grassy weeds. It's dadgum Dallas grass. So they got PGF fertilizer here, so we're putting that down for them. We got Brody getting that taken care of for his grandparents. They got this area right here. There's a lot of rocks, so I'm sure that's contributing why the grass is not growing there. And they got some trees overhanging. Right here, I think my dad was spraying some crack weeds, and I think it drained over here to this area and it killed this spot right here. So this is it. This is their front yard and this is their side yard. And they got Dallas grass bad over here. I don't think we're going to do anything about that this summer. As you saw at my brother's house, he decided to spray all this with a Roundup and it killed everything. Now it will come back, but I think what we're going to do is just concentrate on getting the grass looking better and getting these broadleaf weeds gone. Then this winter we'll come in with Roundup when it's dormant, and we can spray that whole area where it doesn't look near as bad as it would in the summertime. Anyway, so that's that. We'll start on this and we'll get some more follow-up video as we go, and we'll see what we can do with it. So this is Chris with The Lawn and Life with Gammy. And we got my wife. She does not want to be in any of these videos. So this is Chris with The Lawn and Life. We'll do some follow-up videos later on as we go with this. We just have PGF today, so we'll put some other fertilizer on this. We'll get some more different things on it, make it looking better. So don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. I don't care. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all that. Appreciate you watching. Chris with The Lawn and Life. Everybody have a good day.